how you can enable 24 hours disappearing messages on your Messenger app. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. So let us begin. First, open up your Messenger and go to the chat that you want to enable the disappearing messages on. Now after you tap on it, as you can see, I've already turned it on. So tap on the username on the top, and after you do that, scroll down till you get to the privacy and support option. Now right there you will see the disappearing messages option. Tap on it. Now for you it will be on the off side, that is you won't have turned it on. So to turn it on, just select the 24 hours. Now what this does is your messages will get deleted after 24 hours, and if someone takes a screenshot or screen recording, a notification will appear on the chat. So it's kind of like Snapchat too. So yeah, that is basically how you enable disappearing messages on your Messenger app, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.